If money starts showing up in your life right after this video, don't be surprised. Find a quiet place, put on your headphones if you can, and give me your full attention for the next 5 minutes, because I'm about to share the exact affirmations that changed my relationship with money completely. This isn't magic, it's energy, and energy responds to focus. So right now, silence your phone. Put everything else aside. I want to tell you one thing before we begin. You were never born to struggle financially. You were programmed to, and that changes everything. Destiny feels fixed. Programming doesn't. Your current financial reality isn't fate. It was installed in your subconscious mind before you even turned 7 years old. Everything you heard growing up. Money doesn't grow on trees. We can't afford that. Rich people are greedy. Those weren't just words. They became your operating system. And that operating system is still running quietly in the background, shaping every financial decision you make today. But here's the part most people never hear. That program can be interrupted. In the next few minutes, we're going to install a new one. One powerful enough that your energy, your attention, your entire frequency shifts toward abundance. Here's the principle almost nobody teaches you. The opposite of attraction is distraction. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. And whatever gets your energy grows. Most people spend their energy on bills, on doubt, on their bank balance. That keeps them stuck exactly where they are. What you need instead is obsessive focus on one single idea. You are already wealthy, not you will be, you already are. So for the next few minutes, stop thinking about what's missing and start feeling what's already yours. These affirmations aren't random positive thinking. They're built to speak directly to your subconscious, the place where your entire financial blueprint lives. Repetition rewires the brain. Neuroscience confirms this. Every time you repeat these with real feeling, you're building new neural pathways, a new default way of thinking, the same way naturally wealthy people think. So close your eyes if you can. Take one deep breath in and let it go. Now repeat these after me, not just with your voice, but feel them as true right now. I am completely financially free. Money flows to me continuously through multiple channels. I am a powerful money magnet. I effortlessly receive as much wealth as I desire. I am deeply grateful for the abundance I already have. I do what I love and I earn well from it. My income multiplies effortlessly. Everything I touch turns to gold. My mindset is the mindset of a wealthy person. Wealth flows to me like a mighty river. The universe supports me with infinite resources. My abundance allows me to help others too. Now slowly open your eyes. For the last few minutes, you did something the wealthiest people in the world do every single day. You lived in abundance first, mentally, before it ever showed up physically. Your brain just started rewiring its wealth circuitry. Your focus just shifted from lack to possibility. And that shift matters more than your bank balance does right now, because energy always moves before circumstances do. You plant a seed, you don't see the fruit that same day, but it's coming. So stay alert over the next few days. Watch for the signs, a message, an idea, an opportunity you didn't expect. Don't force it. Just stay in gratitude and let yourself receive. A new financial reality is already being prepared for you, and you are worthy of every bit of it. If you felt something shift while watching this, even a little was comment, "I am ready to receive right now." That's how you tell the universe you're paying attention. And if you want your subconscious to keep rewiring while you sleep, hit subscribe. Every week, I share a new practice like this one to help you build real, lasting abundance. Not just for a moment, but as your new normal. I'll see you in the next video.